Plastics is everywhere. To prove it, let me grab the plastics. Ta-da! Here is it. See, the availability of plastics is everywhere, which in turn leads to plastic pollutions everywhere on our Mother Earth. Conventional method in synthesizing plastics using crude oil, which leads to depletion of crude oil, which is a non-renewable source. In addition, the plastics being produced is not biodegradable. Hence, that's where we have bioplastics, by using a more sustainable and renewable source in producing this type of plastics. One of the examples is we can use microorganisms to produce it. Moreover, in light of agro-ecosystem and environmental difficulties, current advances in biotechnology provide a more reliable method to ensuring food security for future generations while simultaneously resolving complicated environmental issues. A very good day I bid to lecturers from Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Science. Today, I'll be presenting my final year project entitled Determination of Emulsifier Types of Thermophilic Cyanobacteria using Liquid Chromatography, Mass Spectrometry, and Gel-Permeable Chromatography. Thermophilic cyanobacteria are the type of microorganisms with significant potential for biotechnological uses. The uniqueness possessed by thermophiles making them as the most promising candidates for biotechnological application, especially in synthesis of lipids for biofuel feedstock, industrial effluent purification, as well as bioremediation of wastewater. The objectives of studies are to determine which strain or species types of emulsifier of thermophilic cyanobacteria microorganisms able to produce bioemulsifier, biosurfactants, and fatty acids. Secondly, to determine which strain or species of thermophilic cyanobacteria are effective for waste treatment process at the polluted reservoir that contains oily waste or effluent. Third, to study the effectiveness of biodegradation process of the emulsifier of fatty acids by different strains of thermophilic cyanobacteria. The research will carry out first by preparation of Pg11 medium, followed by cultivation of thermophilic cyanobacteria strain, and from there, time to time will be magnified for the presence of fatty acids and bioplastics in the cell. Then we will be harvesting the cell and followed with oil extraction, and lastly, sample analysis using LC-MS, and GPC will be done. The presence of fatty acids and bioplastics ingredients such as polyhydroxyl alkaloids PHA, which are polyester produced in nature by numerous microorganisms, including through bacterial fermentation of sugar or lipids. Hence, by using this PHA as the main ingredient in producing bioplastics, it is more sustainable and most importantly, it is biodegradable. In other words, it will not bring any harm to the environment as well as it will not lead to plastic pollution. We are responsible for our Mother Earth and only then our future generation able to enjoy the beauties from it. Thank you for lending your pairs of ear for my presentation.